Feet might feel a little funny. Take your time. There we go. This is definitely a Kodak moment. There you go. All right. Scoot over just a little bit. There you go.
How you feeling, pal? You good? I'm sorry.
No, you're fine. I just want to take care of his foot. You can pull it over just a little bit. There you go. That's just the medication, okay? Feel a little shaky?
It's shaking?
Yeah.
It's normal?
Yeah, it is.
How you feel?
Try to keep yourself up now, okay?
Just gotta stay awake.
Sit with him for a minute. Make sure he's okay.
You good? Got a nice smile.
I just told him to go back and stay with her in a second, but. Hey, honey. How are ya? Okay.
They understood everything you said, Josh.
We don't understand him when he's not under influence.
You feel okay? Okay, good. Just close down on that gauze, all right? There you go. He did awesome.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Did he get all four? Okay.
There you go. There you go. You're doing good. Yeah, he's just coming off of the anesthesia. So
Okay, that's what he's
shaky. Yeah.